W's new phone who this. Like, do you see the difference? Do you see the clarity? Like DJ Narity? Do you see that? But anyways, so I got some Gustazos a while back. If y'all don't know what Gustazos is, y'all are missing out. It's like a website that gives you lots of deals and stuff like that. Without Gustazos, I would definitely not be doing this. So I got a Gustazos to do something, and I'm carrying you along the way today to see what I'm up to. Also, this big old cut in my lip, let's just move along smartly, act like it's not there. A young child kicked me in my lip by accident. So if you can't like watch the video and only stare at my lip, I kind of understand, but hopefully you can get past it and look at my face. Show you guys where it is, where I'm off to soon. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm not ready.
So we're Marine Blue Tours. We're a yacht chartering company and also a helicopter touring company.
Yeah.
So we offer yacht charters of the sea, where we pick you up from Port Royal and take you over to Maiden Key, Lion Key, and all the lovely seas and keys in the ocean. And then we also do area tours where we pick you up from Tinson Pen, which we are located at now, and we take you over the skies to see downtown Kingston, Port Royal Marina, and over to St. Catharines. It's a lovely tour. Come and check us out.
Where do we find you on the
On
ground?
Instagram, we're Marine Blue Tours, and we're Marine Blue Air Tours on Instagram. On Twitter, Marine Blue Tours. Facebook, Marine Blue Tours. Website is www.marine-blue.com.
That's right.
All right, and there's the logo. All right. Oh, thank you guys. I'm good.
4,000 feet, it's your minus a mouse. Very definitely. It's not that high.
Guys, have you guessed what we're doing as yet? Have you guessed it? Have you guessed it? Have you guessed it? Lexi, are you nervous?
Chill. I'm totally chill. It's just it's a thing where the thing, you see the plane is here on the ground and then it's going to leave the ground. That part is the space in between is the problem.
That's the problem.
It's just, I like it when it's here. Yeah, between the air and the ground.
Oh, you mean for landing and takeoff?
I mean the whole flying process in that.
Which is it? Is it the flying or is it the takeoff and landing?
It's
You
the
know, I
whole
feel like
thing.
it's a summary.
At this point, I think
Summary
it's the
of
whole thing.
The
experience.
difference with a helicopter is compared to an aircraft.
Okay.
With an
Afternoon.
aircraft, you have to taxi down the runway and then take off.
Yeah.
With a helicopter, that's not it.
You just
Once you're seated,
zoop, zoop, zoops.
not really zoop, 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 but once you're sitting in there, you'll hear the sounds of the rotors going faster and faster.
God.
So there's no taxiing down the runway.
Just go.
So by the time you realize when you're in the air.
Okay. All right.
That's the difference.
Are you ready for that, Lexi?
So excited. A lot of fun.
Glad you did it.
I am. I'm not so scared anymore.
It was fun. Couple jerks though.
Oh, shows I look right now. I should wear my heels too.
Guess what I just did?
Good. Tell me afterwards.
Guess what I just
That's what you
did?
need to do. Tell me afterwards. Nobody tell me before. Now I hear about it.
Guess what?
Ross.
Oh dear. Mommy, you know I'm going on a helicopter tomorrow?
Go today.
I'm serious.
Yeah. Me to go from today.
Mommy, is it a joke you're telling me now?
I look at me, I take anything with a joke. Well, you make me come sit down right just and I wait for the work man to come and work for me, sir.
I'm going on a helicopter tomorrow though.
You can tell that I care, right?
I must call you from right in the sky.
Just not call me.
Good. It's not joking, you know?
Jesus Christ, me don't want to hear about you and your helicopter. Me don't want to sit down and watch Wendy Williams with Spice. And I just want there. Because the workman them don't come to work as yet. See them sit down right there, so see them over the road self.
So you don't care that I'm going on a helicopter?
What did you say?
You don't care that I'm going on a helicopter tomorrow? You want to come? I thought I would get more of an expression out of you. I thought you wouldn't want me to do it.
Christian, you're talking about a helicopter. I'm talking about you have me sitting here just waiting.
If they were actually truthful to their time, is there something wrong with what I did?
Christian, it's the same persons that said Sunday though.
No.
No. Are the same somebody them will say Sunday and it turn Wednesday. So why 8 and 8:30 can't turn 10 o'clock?
But how was I supposed to know that they would be late if they told me 8:30? Anyways, the helicopter.
I tell you how interested I am in the helicopter story, right?
You don't care?
Read my lips.
You think it's joking?
Read my lips.
Mommy, do you think it's joking?
Christian, let tomorrow take care of itself. And me now put you on my agenda from today for tomorrow. On your helicopter ride.
I got on in there with the stars.
She's still at it.
Because this is not the reaction I thought I was gonna get. I'm waiting for my actual reaction that I could have bet money on. Mama, I don't care. Not what I thought. That's really not what I thought was gonna happen. I thought I was going to hear, no, don't do it.
You know, they're on my agenda from today for tomorrow. God say I know. So them I come out to them stop sign and go sign there. Because I plan to do it. Now I run up my blood pressure, I got people plan. Shit.
That's more like it.
People and them plan and I can't change. I have no time I run up my blood pressure over that. I have other things to think about. You go up on a helicopter, go up on your helicopter. Yeah. You had 27 last week. Some people gave me talk to 17-year-old and I began to talk to 27-year-old, I think so. And I say I beat up my chest over what you, Christian, plan to do. Just to tell you that. See, man, I go up and I sit there.
A few moments later.
I get helicopter from.
Agustazos.
Where's it going?
Port Royal.
Port Royal. So who will be the pilot? A serious something like that.
Oh, it just a register. The pilot is a helicopter pilot.
So, really? Nobody not sitting there now.
No. Wow, guys, you see this? This is the mother I expected.
They want to put everything on us because some of them not going to what is here? Oh, boy, in a helicopter. Oh, you're a soldier, you're a helicopter come down when you know my belly come down. I really appreciate that. If you have a reason to do it, man, and you don't have no reason but have to say you go up in a helicopter. So look how much people never go up in a helicopter and none of them. Them quiet alright and them live and them fine.
I just want to see what it's like.
You don't want to see anything else what it is like. Eh?
Yeah, and I'm going to do all. I'm going to see everything I want to see.
Man, after the helicopter ride is not much more to see. That's where I'm going with this.
When would you stop speaking those things
I'm
over
not
me?
speaking those things. I'm not speaking those things over you, under your side of you. That's not what I'm doing. I'm being realistic.
No, you're being negatively realistic. Look how people go in helicopter and okay.
And the opposite is true also. And you and I know that.
I'll be fine.
Of course you will. Anything happen, you'll be fine.
Can you stop? What was I trying to do? Instill fear?
I'm not instilling fear. I'm just, since
think
you are
you're
not
trying
open.
to.
No, that's not what I'm doing. Why would I want to do that? Fear is not a word that I even like to spell, let alone practice it.
But, so what are you doing then?
I'm just saying, look at all everything.
It's
And just look at
literally
one
just 15
side.
minutes. That's all. I ain't flying to Moby. It's a 15 minutes tour.
Right, so it's not 15 minutes. Since it's just 15 minutes, you can do it all at 15 minutes then.
Okay. See guys, this is what I expected from my mom. I don't know what you were doing earlier. I'm going on a helicopter tomorrow though.
You can tell that I care, right? You want bombard me with everything. I might not so good them days, yeah.
So you thought I was joking?
Them in a small doses.
Because this morning you're like, do I care? Look at my face.
Yeah, but me need for that attitude there. So when you go up in them, I don't even know. I don't even business with that. I mean, I even know about a 15-minute period.
Officers?
You want somebody to I don't even know why you don't want that. But anyway,
I just want to experience it.
if we can experience a few other things in a 15-minute period.
So what are you gonna do when I want to like jump out of a plane with a parachute with
First
Orlando?
again, you